Hello beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you are Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising or even Venus, this reading is for you. And if you are cross watching for a Libra in your life, you are most welcome to. Today we are going to look at your current energy, past influence, future possibilities and your love life, health, career and finance. At the end, I'll also share some special guidance from the universe, Libra. So Libra, let's shuffle the cards for you. Universe, spirit, guide, angel, please guide us for Libra. Universe, spirit, guide, angel, please guide us for Libra. Universe, spirit, guide, angel, please guide us for Libra. Thank you, universe. Let us pull some card for you, Libra. Okay. All right. Okay, so Libra, as I lay down the cards, I see strong energies of fire signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with the Queen of Wands and Three of Wands. We also have Earth energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Through the Hierophant, King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. Water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces appear with the Ace of Cups and Page of Cups. And of course, air energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius comes through with the Page of Swords. So many zodiac signs are showing up, Libra, which means you might be interacting with different energies around you right now, Libra. So Libra, right now let's check your current, past and future energies. So in your past energy, let's see what is coming. The Page of Swords and Queen of Wands shows that you have been curious, learning and absorbing a lot. You may have been watching situations unfold without acting immediately, but your confidence has been quietly growing, Libra. You were preparing yourself for something very bigger, Libra. So now let us check your present energy. In your present energy right now with the Ace of Cups, Wheel of Fortune and King of Pentacles, I see blessings coming through your way. This is a time of emotional renewal, financial stability and destiny shifting in your favor. The wheel is turning. Some of you may already feel a big change coming into your life, Libra. So let us check your future energy, Libra. In your future energy, looking ahead with the Magician, Nine of Pentacles and Six of Wands, you are manifesting success. Whether you have been working hard towards is going to bring recognition, independence and abundance. You are stepping into a phase of self mastery and victory, Libra. So Libra, let us look at your love life. In love, the Ace of Cups and Page of Cups brings fresh emotional beginning. For singles, this is a new crush, a romantic offer or even unexpected feelings developing. For those in relationship, the Hierophant and Empress suggest commitment, family growth or depending bondings. Some of you may even be talking about marriage or planning something long term. Now Libra, let us check your health. For your health with the Seven of Pentacles and Nine of Wands, I see that you have been investing in your health slowly but steadily. You might have faced exhaustion or felt like progress was slow, but don't give up. The Empress energy shows your body's natural ability to heal and thrive. Nurture yourself with rest and good food and mindfulness, dear Libra. So let us check your career, Libra. In your career, the King of Pentacles, Three of Wands and Six of Wands shows expansion and success, Libra. Opportunities are coming from outside your usual circle, possibly international connections or growth beyond your comfort zone. Recognition and leadership roles are highlighted for you, Libra. Now Libra, let us check for your finance. For your finance with the Queen of Pentacles and Nine of Pentacles and Wheel of Fortune, your money situation looks very strong. Financial independence is growing and you might receive unexpected gains. This is also a reminder to manage your responsibility wisely or resources wisely, because long-term stability is within reach, Libra. So what is the guidance for you, Libra? The Magician reminds you that you have all the tools to create the life you desire, Libra. Spirit is saying trust your abilities, stay consistent and keep visualizing your goals. The Empress is guiding you to nurture yourself, your dreams and even your relationships, Libra. Abundance is already flowing towards you, Libra. Just allow it to bloom. So Libra, this is all. If this reading resonated with you, Libra, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Your support means the world to me and helps these messages reach more souls who need them. Take care, stay balanced, and I'll see you in the next reading.